Have you guys ever like try to hide food from people, and then when that one person comes, you know they're gonna eat your food, so you're like, hi. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get this look right here, which is a very easy, super duper look. You guys are not going to believe it. I only used 4 eyeshadows to create this look right here, which was actually the Colourpop and Laura Lee collection. I'm super excited to show you guys how I get this look. Kind of screams a little bit of spring, a little bit of winter. You can actually call it summer if you want to. It is a very easy smoky eyeshadow look. If you guys want to see how I get this look right here using the Laura Lee and Colourpop collection, then vamonos, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so as you guys can see, one eye is already done. We're going to finish off the other one. I'm going to be using, this is the Laura Lee Los Angeles times Colourpop. And these are Super Shock Shadow, and this is the foursome that I will be using. It is Ritz, Glitz, Shiny, and Hiney. First eyeshadow I'm using is this one right here, which is Glitz. And I'm taking that with a Morphe 505. That eyeshadow is going to come right here as our transition shade. We're going to build and build that eyeshadow because it is the transition color. We want it to be very seamless and blended. I like the Colourpop formula because there's no fallout, and I feel like they're very pigmented eyeshadows, and because they're super inexpensive, it's like you get really great quality makeup for a really great price. I'm going to take some of that eyeshadow and also blend it right here on the lower lash line. The next eyeshadow I'm taking is Shiny, and I'm taking that with a more tapered blending brush, and this is the Morphe M330. Now that eyeshadow is going to be packed on right here on the outer third of the eye. What I like to do for more a blended look, I like to take as much product here on the outer version of the eye, outer third of the eye, and then just go ahead and start blending it towards the beginning of the eye. And that kind of like fades out the shadow, the eyeshadow. I'm also making sure to pack on that eyeshadow as much as I can. And then go back in with that other fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges. Whatever's left on that brush, I'm also going to apply right here on the lower lash line. Now for the lid portion right here in the inner third, I'm going to take this one right here, which is Ritz. I really like this eyeshadow. And these eyeshadows are perfect because you can actually put these ultra metallic eyeshadows and blend it with your finger, or you can go in with an eyeshadow brush. I'm actually going to take a flat brush and I'm going to apply it as so. The reason for that is because this is what I use to apply my concealer. So whatever is left of that concealer, I'm just using that kind of as a base. Now I do want to use all of the eyeshadows in this foursome. I'm going to take the last eyeshadow right here, and this is Hiney. I'm going to apply it right here in the middle of the eyelid just to bring a little pop to the look. And I am taking that with my finger, just applying it as so. Going back in with Shiny, just right here. I just want to darken up that outer third. Next, I'm going to go ahead and curl the lashes. Now for the waterline, I'm going to take, this is Wet n Wild Baby's Got Black. This is a black eyeliner. Now I'm going to line the top portion of my eyelid just to bring a little bit of more dramaticness to this look. And this is the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. I'm just making sure to stay very close to the lash. Next for mascara, of course, we're going to take the Maybelline Baby's Got Black. Apply some mascara earlier. And I always get like this side of my nose. It seems like my nose likes some mascara action as well. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Shiny just to smoke it out. Just to smoke out that that liner along with this eyeshadow. I'm just going to grab just a tiny bit. I'm going to take that with my Morphe M169. So now that the eye portion of this look is fully done, I did apply my base, my concealer, my primer, along with my foundation, which I'm more than happy to link that down below for you guys. Some of you guys have been requesting for me to link. I got you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. For bronzer, I am going to take, this is a Sephora Canary Island bronzer. This is in the number 7. I'm taking that with my Morphe M403. And I'm just bronzing up the face. This is a very bronzy bronzer, more like on the darker side. I use this bronzer when I feel like I'm looking a little bit too pale, or just when I really want to just bronze up my looks. So obviously today we're doing that. And I did apply my foundation back again with my Morphe brush, which sometimes I wonder, why do I stop doing things? Sometimes I'm like, oh, why did I stop doing this? I like it. Just doing that. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I am using a different bronzer brush, which is really funny because once I like something, I just keep using it. I don't change things up just because it's what I'm used to, or just because it's what I'm comfortable with, or just because I know it's going to do the job. But this one, I've been liking it so far lately as well. I really love like a bronzy look. It's just what I live for. Whatever's left of that, I'm also going to bring it down to the double chin. You know, sometimes you just gotta erase that. And makeup just really does that for me. And then for some odd reason, I've been like kind of contouring my nose. I'm not the best contourer for the nose section of the face, but you know, sometimes you just want things to look snatched. Then for blush, I'm going to take this one by Tarte, which is Feisty. I haven't used this one just yet. I'm really excited because I love any Tarte products. So just going to take that with my, this is a multitask brush by Real Technique. Just applying it just a tad bit on the apples of my cheeks. For highlights, I'm going to take an oldie but a goodie. This is Champagne Pop by Becca and Jaclyn Hill. Taking that with a Morphe M510. Just dust off a little bit of that. And I've been liking applying my highlights more here instead of more up here. Just hit it like that, boom. Then just hit it a little bit over here, boom. And then I go back in with my blending brush, and I don't like any harsh lines of my makeup. I just want everything to just be very blended, where you can't tell where I applied that highlight, that blush, or that bronzer. For the liner, I'm going to go in with Face Stockholm. This is in the color Fall. To top it off, I'm going to take, this is NYX Liquid Suede in the color Soft Spoken. And this is it, guys. This is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button so every time I upload, you guys are notified. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.